Hey there and Assalam alaikum and welcome once again. أهلا وسهلا أهلا بكم أحبائي العرب متابعين الكرام في قناتي. في هذا الفيديو نعلمكم واشرح لكم عن طريقة كيف تحملون البرنامج سهاتي وكيف تسجلون نفسكم ونعلمكم حجز لقاء كورونا. The first step is to download the Sehhaty app from the App Store. On the homepage of the Sehhaty app, the first-time users are required to create an account by following these simple steps. After clicking on Create Account, you're required to enter some basic information like our mobile number, Iqama number, and your date of birth. Here we need to type in the verification code that you will receive on your mobile number. Well, while we're waiting for the verification code anyway, why don't you go and hit the subscribe button? And then here we are required to set the password as per the given criteria. Okay, so now you have entered your Sehhaty app. Yay! Where you will find various options like registering yourself for the vaccination, requesting for a test for COVID-19, and you can also fill in your vitals if you like. Okay, so after clicking on the option given for COVID-19 vaccine, we need to furnish some personal and medical information. So hit next, and here you can give the same number that you have registered with. Okay, so we still have to provide some additional information before we become eligible to book an appointment for vaccination. Okay, then we will fill in the info as per our work field. So it is really important that we provide 100% accurate information about our health status. Okay, here we will reconfirm that all our answers are correct and truest to our knowledge. At this point, your info is under evaluation by the Ministry of Health. That's why it's going to be showing pending for up to 24 hours or so. Okay, so after becoming eligible, then we need to proceed to book the appointment. It's better to go through all these basic guidelines and then scroll down and click to proceed. Again, a questionnaire for you to answer. Okay, after which you get a list of vaccination centers situated in and around your area. Choose the one which you like or you're comfortable with. And after selecting the desired center, if you are lucky, you will be shown dates like how it's showing on my app here. And after selecting the date, you will be given time slots, out of which you can select whichever you want again. So you will select the time slot on that particular day and voila, it's done. Khalas. Okay then guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. I hope you stay safe. شكرا جزيلا لمشاهدة فيديوهاتي. نتمنى لكم صحة وعافية.